Meow. Lesson 23. Yesterday you learned action verbs. Go, come, eat, drink, sleep. Today, we learn verbs about your feelings, desires, and possessions. Ease verbs tell us what you like, preferences, emotions, what you want, desires, what you need, necessities, what you have, possessions. These 4 verbs are super important because they let you express your feelings. I like cats. Your wishes. I want food. Your necessities. I need sleep. Your belongings. I have a home. This is how you show your personality in English. What you like, what you want, who you are. Let us learn to express yourself. First verb, like. Like means you enjoy something. You have positive feelings about it. Repeat after me. Like. Important forms. I, you, we, they, plus like. He, she, it, plus likes. Add as. Examples. I like cats. Obviously. You like English. I hope. He likes coffee. Notice. Likes. She likes music. We like pizza. They like movies. What can you like? Things. I like pizza. People. I like my teacher. Activities. I like reading. Verb plus ing. Places. I like Paris. Animals. I like dogs, but cats are better. Negative form. I do not like. Do not like. He does not like. Does not like. Examples. I do not like rain. She does not like vegetables. Important. Like is about preference, not love. It is moderate positive feeling. Like equals positive. Love equals very strong positive. Do not like equals negative. Hate equals very strong negative. Practice. I like. Say something you like. I do not like. Say something you do not like. She likes. Say something about someone. Could. You expressed preferences. Second verb, want. Want means you desire something. You wish to have it or do it. Repeat after me. Want. Important forms. I, you, we, they, plus want, he, she, plus wants, add is. Examples. I want food. I desire food. You want water. He wants a car. Notice, wants. She wants coffee. We want to go home. Want plus to plus verb. They want a new house. 2 ways to use want. Want plus noun. I want pizza. Want plus to plus verb. I want to eat pizza. Examples. I want a cat. Noun. I want to sleep. T plus verb. She wants coffee. Noun. She wants to drink coffee. To plus verb. Negative form. I do not want. He does not want. Examples. I do not want vegetables. She does not want to go. Like versus want. What is the difference? Like equals general preference. Always true. I want pizza. Right now. I desire it. You can like something but not want it now. I like ice cream, but I do not want ice cream now. Maybe I am full. Practice. I want. Say what you want right now. I want to. Say what you want to do. He wants. Say what someone else wants. Perfect. Third verb. Need. Need means something is necessary. You must have it. It is not optional. Repeat after me. Need. Important forms. I, you, we, they, plus need. He, she, it, plus needs. Add examples. I need water. Necessary for life. You need sleep. Must have it. He needs food. Notice. Needs. She needs help. We need to go. Need plus to plus verb. They need a doctor. 2 ways to use need. 3. Need plus noun. I need money. 4. Need plus to plus verb. I need to study. Examples. I need pen. Noun. I need to write. To plus verb. She needs rest. Noun. She needs to rest. To plus verb. Negative form. I do not need. He does not need. Examples. I do not need help. She does not need a car. Want versus need. Important difference. Want equals desire. You wish for it. I want a new phone. I would like it, but I can live without it. Need equals necessity. You must have it. He needs food. I must have it to survive. Examples. I want a big house. Desire. I need a house. Necessity. Shelter. Sometimes the same thing. I need water. Necessity. I want water. Desire. Both can be true. Practice. I need. Say what you need. I need to. Say what you need to do. She needs. Say what someone needs. Great. 4th verb. Have. Have means you possess something. You own it. It is yours. Repeat after me. Have. Important forms. I, you, we, that plus have. He, she, it, plus has, not, has, irregular. Examples. I have a cat. I own a cat. You have a book. He has a car. Notice. Has, not haves. She has blue eyes. Possession of features. We have time. They have a house. What can you have? Objects. I have a phone. People. Relationships. I have a brother. Physical features. I have brown hair. Abstract things. I have time. I have a problem. Food. Drink. I have lunch at 1 p.m. Negative form. I do not have. He does not have. Examples. I do not have money. She does not have a car. Special uses of have. Have plus noun, possession. I have a car. Have plus food. Drink. I have breakfast 8 a.m. Have plus experience. I have a good day. Examples. I have coffee every morning, drink it. I have a problem, experience it. I have fun, experience it. Practice. I have. Say what you have. I do not have. Say what you do not have. He has. Say what someone has. Excellent. You know all 4 verbs. Let us review all 4 verbs and their differences. Like, preference, enjoyment. I like pizza. I enjoy it. Want. Desire, wish. I want pizza. I desire it now. Need. Necessity. Requirement. I need food. I must have it. Have. Possession, ownership. I have pizza. I own it. It is mine. All together in a story. I like cats. I want a cat. I need love. So I have a cat now. See? All 4 verbs in context. Quick test. Fill in the correct verb. I, English, enjoy it. I like English. I, to learn, desire. I want to learn. I, practice, necessity. I need practice. I, a teacher, possession. I have a teacher, perfect understanding. Now let us create rich sentences using everything you know. Using multiple verbs together. I have a big, red apple, but I do not want to eat it because I do not like apples. Let us break it down. Have, possession, do not want to eat. Desire plus action, do not like, preference. More examples. She likes coffee. She wants coffee. She needs coffee. But she does not have coffee. I need to sleep because I am tired. I want to sleep. I like to sleep. I have a comfortable bed. They have a new car. They like the car. They want to drive it. They need to drive it to work. Your turn. Create a complex sentence using at least two of today's verbs. Examples. I like pizza and I want pizza. She needs sleep but she does not have time. We have a cat and we like cats. Say it out loud. Wow, you are expressing complex thoughts in English. Homework time. Task 1. Answer these questions about yourself. What do you like? List 3 things. What do you want? List 3 things. What do you need? List 3 things. What do you have? List 3 things. Write them down or say them out loud. Task 2. Complete these sentences. I like, but I do not like. I want, but I do not need. I have, but I want. Ask 3. In the comments, tell us, I like something. I want to action. What about you? Examples. I like English. I want to speak English well. What about you? I like cats. I want to have a cat. What about you? I like learning. I want to learn more English. What about you? Share your likes and wants. In Lesson 24, we learn action verbs: run, walk, sit, stand, open, close, more physical actions, more movement. After Lesson 24, you will know basic actions: go, come, eat, drink, sleep. Feelings and desires like want, need, have. Physical movements: run, walk, sit, stand, open, close. That is 15 verbs total. You will be able to express so much. But today, you learned how to express yourself, your likes, your wants, your needs, your possessions. This is important. This is you in English, your personality, your feelings, your life. Practice these verbs. Use them to talk about yourself. I like this. I want that. I need sleep. I have dreams. That is you speaking English. See you tomorrow. Meow.